Hey, it's Oak with another tutorial. So today we'll be applying a heat transfer. I get a lot of emails asking how to apply these. So I'm just doing a quick tutorial just to show you guys how easy and quick it is to apply these heat transfers. All right, so the first thing you want to do, you want to have your shirt, of course, or wherever you want to iron it on. You want to make sure you iron all these wrinkles out. Right, you can apply it to your jean jacket, right, any material you can iron on. So you can do that. Make sure you iron these out. Make sure your iron is on the highest setting. I always do that. So quickly, we're just gonna place this wherever we want to place it. All right, and then once you do that, you just iron right on top. All right, you can iron right on top of the plastic. So don't worry, it will not melt. So you guys are all right. You just want to make sure that you apply enough heat and that it is transferred. All right. All right, I think that should be fine. Just want to make sure this is placed. All right. All right. So once you just make sure that, before you peel, that it's actually on there. And then you can just peel slowly. Whoop. Like we got a little something there. So we're going to place it back. I'm just going to run the iron on a little bit more. Just to make sure that, that it's on there. There you go, guys. An easy, quick tutorial. Nice and neat. You guys can see. It's beautiful. Very easy. And if you have a heat press, it's very easy. Just set at the highest setting. Let it sit for like 30 seconds. And then you can just peel right off. As you can see, everything is nice and flat. Beautiful, beautiful. There you go. Get a closer look. Again, you can find all these heat transfers at my website, creolepiece.com. Very easy, nice and beautiful.